Well, starting a business is exciting. Sustaining it, that's where most of the founders struggle. Ideas are everywhere today. Funding options look visible. Success stories are everywhere online. But very few entrepreneurs truly understand the financial journey of a startup. That's where startup finance at Cohesive Minds comes in. This vertical is built on real entrepreneurial experience, not theory. We focus on what actually happens after the idea stage, estimating business potential realistically, understanding funding needs at different stages, managing cash flow and burn rate, choosing the right structure, pricing, and growth path, and most importantly, helping founders avoid the mistakes that quietly kill the business. Our approach is practical, structured, and honest. We don't just teach what to do, we also teach what not to do. In today's uncertain economic environment, financial discipline is not optional, it is survival. Startup finance helps founders build businesses that are not just exciting but resilient, scalable, and sustainable.